This presentation summarizes a lead generation and rebranding campaign we planned and executed for a cloud hosting company and reseller. The client was a US-based cloud services company with a full spectrum of in-house hosting, virtualization, and managed IT services, and was also a reseller for Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, IBM Software, and Dell EMC. Despite being in business for about 18 years, the company was struggling to add new clients due to a lack of marketing focus and negative air around the brand. It had also recently added Dell EMC to its portfolio, which it wanted to promote. We created a multi-channel marketing and online reputation management plan, delivering sizable results through both organic and paid channels. During 3 months of optimized campaign execution, the team delivered 118 leads. The channels we used included email marketing to reach out to existing and prospective customers, social media marketing to create brand voice and establish a personal connect with prospective customers, online advertising to produce instant leads, case study and PR distribution to establish authority, search engine optimization for long-term organic growth, and online reputation management, something that they desperately needed. The resource allocation looked like 1 project manager, 1 campaign lead, 2 content developers, 1 designer, 2 digital marketing associates, 1 email marketing expert. After 3 months and countless meetings and roundups later, the performance was something worth writing home about. We generated 118 leads in all, added 1.2k followers on different social channels. 54% is the reduction we were able to bring into the cost per lead. 28 tickets were resolved during the period, and the site's traffic increased by an impressive 230%. This was just the performance that we delivered in 3 months. It's been more than 2 years now since the client is working with us, and the data looks much more impressive now. Thank you so much.